An organic compound A with molecular formula C8H16O2 was hydrolyzed with dilute sulfuric acid to give a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. Oxidation of C means an alcohol with chromic acid produced B, carboxylic acid. C on dehydration gives but1ene. Write equations for the reactions involved. So now let us see the reactions there. One is carboxylic acid and other is alcohol, means the compound A should be an ester. Ester on hydrolysis will give carboxylic acid and alcohol. But the alcohol is forming but1ene, means the alcohol should be butanol. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Okay, alcohol should be butanol, means this is compound C. Compound C, when treated with concentrated H2SO4, is forming CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, means but1ene you are getting here. And this compound on oxidation with chromic acid, is forming, what will it form? Butanol when oxidation with chromic acid will form butanoic acid. So butanoic acid should be compound B. So what is compound B there? Butanoic acid. Okay, so butanoic acid and butanol are formed from which alcohol, which ester? CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, O, CH2, 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 CH3. This is the ester. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the ester here? CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, 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 CH3. This compound on hydrolysis will give CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH plus CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. Means you will get carboxylic acid and alcohol there. Okay, so this is compound A, this is compound B, and this is compound C. So what is compound A and what are the reactions they asked? Again I am explaining. Ester on hydrolysis will give carboxylic acid and alcohol. So in the compound A is giving carboxylic acid and alcohol, means compound A should be ester. And compound B and C are carboxylic acid and alcohol. C on treating with dehydrating agent is forming but1ene. So it should be butanol. And C on oxidation gives B. They are telling C on oxidation gives compound B, that is carboxylic acid. So but1ol on oxidation will give butanoic acid. So compound B should be butanoic acid, compound C should be butanol. Butanol on dehydration will give but1ene. So the compound A should be an ester.